Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the second question of exercise 11.3. We have to show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 equal to 1 and cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 equal to 0. So very similar to the first question. So let's start with the first bit. So we have tan 48, tan 16, tan 42 and tan 74. Let's take the LHS side. Okay. So here we can see that 48 plus 42 is equal to 90 and 16 plus 74 equal to 90. So let's group them up. Let's write them together. Tan 48 into tan 42 and tan 16 into tan 74. So now I can write this tan 42 as tan 90 minus 48. So let's write it down. Tan 90 minus 48. And tan 74 as tan 90 minus 16. So we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore, tan 90 minus 48 is equal to cot 48. So this would be cot 48. And similarly, tan 90 minus 16 is equal to cot 16. We know that tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. Therefore, cot 48 is equal to 1 by tan 48. So this would become tan 48 into 1 by tan 48. And similarly, I will write cot 16 as 1 by tan 16. So therefore this both will get cancelled. This both will get cancelled. And we get 1 into 1 is equal to 1. We got the RHS. Since LH is equal to RHS, we proved the first one. We showed the first one. So let's just the second bit now. Cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54. Let's consider LHS part first. So I can write this cos 54 as cos 90 minus 36. So I write it down. This would be cos 90 minus 36. And similarly, sin 54, I'll write it as sin 90 minus 36 because 90 minus 36 equal to 54. Next, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So therefore this would be cos 36 into sin 36 minus sin 36 and sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So this would be cos 36. We can see that the both sides on minus is same, like cos 36 into sin 36 minus sin 36 into cos 36. And when we subtract two equal things, we get the answer as 0. And this is the RHS. Since LH is equal to RHS, it is proved. So we showed that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 equal to 1 and cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 equal to 0. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more solutions. Thank you.